Molly Patriot here. So we're in Culpeper, Virginia, and we are here by what is known as the Burgandine house, circa 1749. It's on, excuse me, it's on the National Historic Registry, and it's been acknowledged as one of the oldest structures around, still standing. And we'll just do a quick little peek from the outside. They're not here today, but you may want to go online and check it and see when their hours are. But I've been inside. I will follow up with another video. But we're right here at the intersection by Gilmore's Exxon. And it's an interesting house. They've really put a lot of time into restoring this. For example, cedar shake, as you can see. And let's walk around it real quick. But it is the real deal. It's not make-believe. And I think my cabin's a little older, though. Wow, you can look at this. I don't know what wore through here, but something obviously did. See the old chimney? Chimney on the outside, as usual. And it's a nice big loft. It's kind of a one down, one up. So it is smaller. Not quite the two down, two up. But original foundation. Old lime mortar work. And he told me they actually, when they were restoring, they actually ran a trough underneath to the HVAC unit out here. It's kind of cool, so they could still sort of maintain. There wasn't a lot of room inside, but I strongly recommend coming out here and taking a look at it. I think, again, the Burgandine house, parking's in the rear, old lap siding. And Motley Patriot, here's a nice destination. Here in Culpeper.